Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a mini magic potion bottle out of UV resin and polymer clay. So to start out, I have a mini glass potion bottle, which I bought online, and it has a little cork stopper. And to make the potion inside, I'm squeezing in a small amount of UV resin. Then to colour it, I have some bright green coloured UV resin pigment, but you could use any colour that you'd like. And I'm just squeezing one drop into the bottle onto the UV resin and gently mixing them together with a toothpick. And then to harden it so the liquid is flat, I'm curing it inside under my UV lamp, and I'm not taking it outside in the sun. Then to attach the cork, I'm spreading some UV resin around the bottom half of it, just with a toothpick. Then I'm placing it into the bottle. I'm curing it with the UV lamp. So next, for the face, I've gone ahead and made 2 eyes and a smile using some black clay and some cheeks using light pink, and I'm just baking them fully using my package's instructions. And then once they've cooled down completely, it's time to add the face. So I'm just using a toothpick to press the tiniest dots of UV resin onto the round part of the potion bottle. And attaching the eyes first. Then curing it with the UV lamp. And adding on the smile. Then curing it again. And then adding on the cheeks. and curing that for the third and final time. And this little magic potion bottle is so fun to make. And you could use different coloured UV resin pigments to make a set of different coloured potions. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!